Hi guys, today we're going to look at something a little bit different. Here I've got a wooden bandsaw, which appears to be handmade. I picked this up at an auction for 10 bucks. And I've always wanted a bandsaw, but of course I'm too cheap to actually buy one. So I figured for 10 bucks, let's give this a try. Now, looking at this thing, I can see a lot of old flathead screws, some square washers, so I have a feeling this thing's pretty old. The motor looks fairly old to me too. I don't know much about these motors. It's belt driven, and there's a little bit of slack in the belt there, and they have to put an adjuster on it at one point. Got some little, looks like a pillow block bearing, some adjusters, braces, and it's made out of, it looks like pretty hard wood. I don't know a whole lot about wood, but it's pretty rugged, and even the plywood seems to be like pretty old and good quality stuff. It's pretty sturdy. It's got a little table here on a swivel, and if you pop this thing out, actually cut angles as well, which is kind of neat. It's got all these little knobs and things. I have no idea what they are. And a little door here to get at the blade. The top parts you have to unscrew, but I may put some hinges on that or some sort of paths or something so that I can change the blade easier. Now I haven't run this yet, so we're gonna plug it in, give it a try, and see what happens. Alright, so I've got the saw plugged in. We're gonna turn it on and give it a try. Well, I have to say, it does seem a little scary. I don't know if I want to stick my fingers near that. Well, let's give it a try. Well, that works pretty good. Well, she's a noisy old beast, and I don't know, I think it actually works pretty good. I think I can get quite a bit of use out of this. Like I said, it's a little bit scary. I'm not sure if you guys could even hear me when it was running, but it's pretty loud. But yeah, it's a neat little rig. I think I might strip it down, clean it up, maybe varnish it or stain it, make it look a little better. Replace this wire, piece of extension cord wire. It has wheels on one end so that it can be moved around. The base seemed a little flimsy, so I added these boards just to strengthen that up. And some little braces in the back there. It's a lot more stable as well. When we moved it here, we noticed that it was just nailed to the base with two or four small little penny nails, so I'm surprised it actually stayed together. So I've since removed those and put some good screws in there, so it should be a lot more stable. So anyway, this is my $10 homemade, it appears, bandsaw. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe if you haven't, to see some future videos. And please comment on what you think of this old beast, or if you know any information on it, or if you've seen something like this before or made your own. I'd like to hear about it.